Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Hopefully, all of you are in good condition and fine too. Before we start our lesson today, be better if we are praying together. Let's restart our lesson by praying Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me check the attendance first. No one is missing, right? Okay. Nice. Okay, good. Thank you. Our motivation today is believe in yourself because you can remember it. Well, today we are going to discuss about physics, especially static electricity. And the objectives of this lesson, number 1 is identification of static electricity and electric charge. Number 2, understanding of Coulomb laws. And number 3, identification of electric field. Number 4, identification of electric potential energy and electrical potential. Number 5, identification of capacitor. And the last is preparing of electrical experiments by the charging and discharging capacitors and benefits in everyday environment. Okay, let's restart our lesson today. The subject of material is static electricity. Okay. For now, what causes static electricity? Static electricity is due to electric charge that build up on the surface of an insulator, such as a plastic cone. We know that the plastic cone is the benefits for our life, and from a plastic cone, we know that the charge that has built up can easily flow away from the insulator, which is why it is called static electricity. And how does static charge build up? How static charge can build up when two insulating materials are wrapped together, such as plastic moving through air, and friction between the materials causes electrons to be transferred from one material to the other. And number 1 is one material ends up with more electrons, so it now has an overall negative charge. And number 2, one material ends up with fewer electrons, so it now has an overall positive charge. And we continue, how can static charge be created? That is friction. Friction can be used to create a static charge. If an insulator is wrapped with a gold, it can become charged in one of the ways. And number 1, electrons move from the fluid to the insulator, and the insulator ends up with an overall negative charge, or electrons move from the insulator to the fluid, and the insulator ends up with an overall positive charge. For this illustration of static electricity, in this picture we know a man walking to the door, and the negative charge move from door to the man. And that's our upper section for this lesson. And now we continue to core of the lesson. Static electricity. The definition of static electricity is an imbalance of electric charge within or on the surface of a material. And the subject of the static electricity is, for the first, Coulomb law. Secondly, electric field. Thirdly, electrical energy. Fourthly, electric potential. Fifth, that is capacitor. For number 1 is Coulomb force or electrostatic force. The equation of Coulomb force is force amount constanta Coulomb constant Q1 Q2 per R quadrat. The columns force that published in 1785 by French physicist. The name is Carlos Augustin de Coulomb, and the Coulomb constant is 10 quadrat 9 and Newton meter quadrat or Coulomb quadrat. To make it Coulomb constant value easier, then rounded up by 9 cross 10 quadrat 9. And the Q1 and Q2 is the sign magnitude of the charge, and the R quadrat is the distance between the charge. For the next, we continue. What is it? This is the electric field. The electric field is the area or space around electric charge with positive charge, protons, and negative charge, electrons, which are still influenced by electric force. In this below, there is picture electric field lines at 2-point charge. Here, the proton and electron. The equation of electric field from Coulomb's force. We know that the equation here, and the description is A for electric field, Q for source charge, Q for test charge, R for distance of test charge and source charge, and Q and K is constant of static electricity. For the last, the conclusion and vocabularies of static electricity. For the conclusion, static electricity is an imbalance of electric charge within or on the surface of a material, and the equation of Coulomb's law is force amount K, Q1, Q2 per R quadrat. And as a plastic cone, the charge, the ice will can easily flow away from the insulator, which is why it is called static electricity. In here, there is more vocabularies. You can study more about it. And the next episode will study electrical energy, electric potential, and capacitor. For the last, thank you for your attention. Enough for me. Hopefully we have a good day, and thank you very much. I'm sorry for many mistakes, Mahirul Kalam.